Okay, today we're going to attempt to put this helicopter together. Right, Thomas? Right, Zachary? Yeah? Are you ready? Are you ready, Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay, there's our box. There's our helicopter, what it's supposed to look like. Here's all our pieces. Here's our directions. We're going to get started, okay? Coming back in 1 minute. Okay, first part. So far we've got this piece put together. Right?
Yes.
Alright, let's do the next piece.
It looked like a boat.
It does look like a boat. What part of the helicopter do you think that is?
A boat.
The boat part?
Yes,
Well,
a boat.
I don't know what part it is, but we'll figure it out.
This.
Okay, we got the next part done. What is that?
A boat?
No, it's supposed to be a helicopter.
A part of a boat.
It looks like kind of like wings or something,
Like
right?
a jetpack.
Oh, maybe a jetpack. All right, let's move on. We'll get the next pieces together. So we've got two pieces so far. Okay, we got the next part done. We added our wings onto another cross member. It's got to join together.
Does this fit?
No, I don't think so.
I think so, because it does fit.
Well, that would look like an airplane and not like a helicopter. All right, press on. Let's go to the next piece. Okay, so we got that going now, right, Thomas? Looks kind of like the bottom part. It's got the skis. It's got like some missiles on the side, some wings. All right, ready to go on to the next phase?
Yep.
Are you?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Look at that.
Okay, we got another piece built. You want to show the YouTube followers? This looks like the top of the helicopter. Probably not that part.
Oh no! Ah!
All right, ready to go on to the next piece?
Yep.
All right, what do you think, Zach, so far? So far, so good? Thumbs up, says Zach. All right.
Zach, you're not supposed
Set it down. We're gonna build the next piece, okay, Zach?
That's a boat.
Yeah.
Like that.
All right. Be back in a minute. Okay, now we've got a completed X for the. It looks like. What do you think? What part do you think that is, Thomas? Huh?
Oh no, a windy piece, a flying piece.
Yeah. They probably call that the rotor. Okay.
No, it looks like a plane.
Yeah, this is the top of the helicopter, though.
And a plane.
All right. Okay, did you get that one done?
Oh no.
Let me see. Is it snapping on?
No.
Some of these pieces are a little bit difficult to put together. Okay, so now we're going to move on to this part here. This piece here is going to mount on the back.
Like this? Like this, Daddy?
Nope. Hold on. Like this. Like this.
Oh. Like that.
Yeah. Got it?
I think so. There.
All right. Then we're going to take a big piece.
No,
Set it
bigger
back.
ship.
Set it back on the set it down in front of you again. And we're gonna take this big piece and we're gonna put that right there. How'd you know?
Because I think I know the future.
Because you're a chicken of the sea?
No. You are.
You're a chicken licking of the sea. How's it look? Good?
There.
Okay. Alright, we're going to turn the page.
This with this here.
Well, start at the end of the other one. Start at the end of that. Yeah.
Like that.
No, oh, put the other ones first. The two long ones first. Yeah, those ones. A little snap on there. And then you can just put the other one next to it, okay?
Then this. Daddy's in this here.
Yeah.
Well, hello there, little fellow. Are you a stray? There now, isn't that...
Did it pop on? That looks on. That looks good. Now we'll just do the other side. That's good. One more.
One more? Yay. It's a car. That's a car.
All right. What do you think, Zach? So far, so good?
No. No.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, now I know. Okay, you can turn off the video now.
Well, we're starting to come together. It looks like we got like the fuselage together, right? Pretty good. All right, so it's calling for 2 2s. Here's 2 2s. And 2 2s are gonna go. Let's set it down for a second.
My dream was to help my hometown, a tiny island hidden under the A
They're gonna go right in the front over here.
called Swallow Falls.
Here, push these ones on there.
We were famous
These 2 2s are gonna go there. Okay?
the day the baby bird sardine cannery closed for good. Right after everyone in the world.
Right here, Daddy.
My best friend and trusted father.
Let me see. No, they're gonna go on this one over here. Just like this. See around there? So, try to stick it on the end of that.
Like this.
Did you get it?
Don't know. No.
They might be hard ones. Let me see. Sometimes these little single ones are just too teeny tiny.